Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back to the rhyme section. This is me once again, Sugantha. Today I'm going to teach you the rhymes. In this rhymes, we are going to see peacock, pigeon, crow, and sparrow. Shall we? Yes. Come on. Ready? One, two, and three, and start. Parrots are green and sparrows are brown. Pigeons are grey and they fly around. Pigeons are grey and they fly around. Peacock is a colorful bird you can see. Peacock is a colorful bird you can see. Birds have feathers, a tail and a beak. Birds have feathers, a tail and a beak. Seeds and worms are great big treat. They flap their wings and fly around. Higher and higher off the ground. Higher and higher off the ground. Parrots are green and sparrows are brown. Parrots are green and sparrows are brown. Pigeons are grey and they fly around. Pigeons are grey and they fly around. Crows are so black as black can be. Peacock is a colorful bird you can see. Peacock is a colorful bird you can see. Birds have feathers, a tail and a beak. Birds have a feathers, a tail and a beak. Seeds and worms are great big treat. Seeds and worms are great big treat. They flap their wings and fly around. They flap their wings and fly around. Higher and higher off the ground. Higher and higher off the ground. Higher and higher off the ground. Thank you all.